Hey everyone, welcome back to Graphic Design. We are in week 8. Can you guys believe it? We're almost done with the quarter. So for this week, you guys are going to talk about branding, learning about what branding is and how important it is for graphic design. Then you guys are going to learn about layers in Pixlr. It's a very fundamental and important tool for you guys to understand while you work on your projects. And then to finish off the week, you guys are going to be creating a restaurant logo. This logo is something that you are creating. It's a name and a brand and a company logo that we will be using later on throughout the course on various projects. If you guys have any questions while you're working, feel free to reach out to me. I will be out of the office and out of the state, out of cell phone reception until next Wednesday. Feel free to shoot me an email. I will get back to you as soon as I can. And I will see you next week. Take care.